Hi everyone, it's Sue, and for me it's my Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft month, and I have my latest package of goodies from Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft. Now I do have the basic creative team items that I've chosen, but I do also have a couple of other things that I have ordered separately. So we'll go through the things that were part of the design team, the creative team, and then we'll go through the extras. Alrighty, yep. Okay, now I have taken all the sticky tape off that stops it all moving around, which is annoying, but also it's nice to know that your products do come in, you know, good condition. So I guess it's an annoyance that you kind of put up with, or you know, it's useful. All right, so I have these chipboard phrases. They're Cartabella Paper Company, and they're chipboard phrases. So I'm just thinking I might go down, there we go, a little bit, and then bring this up to show you. So I really liked this when I saw it. It sort of has that vintagey sort of feel that I like. So they're chipboard, so they should be really nice to use. What else we got? Now a little package here. Okay, we have the frames and tags, which actually go with the chipboard phrases, which also go with the paper that I've got as well. So they're lots of little frames and tags and bits and pieces. I thought they'd be really useful. I don't always or very often actually grab all the bits and pieces that go with the paper, but I thought for a change I would. Now I've also grabbed these flowers from their Finnabar ones, alterable flowers, which means you can change the colour of them, obviously. I've never done that before either, so quite looking forward to trying that if necessary. I did choose this stamp die, which I thought might come in useful for some more embellishments. Now the papers, if I can open it. Maybe not. There we go. Okay. All right. Now, included in the paper is also the sticker sheet for the farmhouse market. It's actually, yeah, that's what it's called, farmhouse market, and it's by Cartabella. And these are the stickers that go with it. So you can see it's got that vintage farm sort of vibe going on, which I really like. One of my dreams in life is to visit one of those provincial type farms that you see in some of the European, you know, shows that you'll watch. So this really did appeal to me. Isn't that beautiful? Love the soft colouring. Very versatile page. That one, journaling cards. So, it's got the journaling cards on the back. Okay, they're nice. So that's very nice as well, like that. That's going to be a challenge actually for me, because I really like that too. Okay, we'll just pop that to the side. Oh, I do like a good gingham. And of course, on the other side to this one, tags. Oh, they're very nice, aren't they? They're like a watercolour. They're watercolour. And look how many. Lots of those. Great for embellishing in your journals. Great for embellishing on other tags as well. That might be something I'll be doing. Oh, wow, look at this. I love the watercolour look of this. This one. And of course they're all upside down by the look of it. Timeless Floral. And we've got some interesting things here. When you love what you have everything that you need. So they're like border page toppers or something like that. So they're pretty as well. Okay. Ooh, look at this one. baskets. So I'm assuming on the back there's baskets. That's nice too. I like that. Oh wow, there's your baskets. It does bring to mind that French French provincial sort of feel. And this one, it's cubbies. Basically this side is just book print. It's in English too. And then we have, they're like the little drawers that you would have on an old style filing cabinet or something. And this one, this is pretty too. This one is floral corners. I can imagine you could actually circle punch all those out if you wanted to use them for different embellishments or something as well. Okay. This one's lovely. I do really like this one, I must admit. And it's got journaling cards on the back. They're very nice as well. It to me, in my head I can see a journal, but I wasn't planning on a journal this time. Who knows? And another one with a wood grain and then the watercolour flowers. This is wreaths. And I guess that's because of the circular sort of feel. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is going to be challenging. I think there's only one of each. Oh no. This is going to be challenging. Lovely floral. I love the colours. Oh, look at that. This is so up my alley. I just love this sort of stuff. I love pretty florally sort of things. Vintage floral. It's a pale blue, but it's almost a lilac-y purple, I think. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at this one. Oh, I do love these. And the antique floral, this one's called. And some more little drawers. I may be reassessing what I was going to do now. Barn floral. So I'm assuming there's a barn on the back of this. There we go. There's your barn. Wow. Lovely. I really like those. Really like those. So I'll pop those out of the way for the moment. Okay, now the things I chose myself as extras just because I wanted them. Now I had a feeling these two papers, they were on sale and there weren't many left. They're Studio Light paper. This one, you can see it's sort of got that collage feel. That's why I ordered it, because I love collages. If you're familiar with my channel, you'll have figured that out already. So that's that one. And lovely too. And this one. Love the birds. And there we go. Oh, nice. I like those. Alrighty, and I've also got, I desperately wanted some more ink, so this is the walnut stain. I thought I'd go, might just bring you in again. I thought I'd go with the darker one this time. I normally use the vintage photo, but I thought I might try for a darker one. Now I also have, which I don't have any of this, I've used similar products but not this particular one, the Inca Gold, and just thinking it's the Alt Gold or Old Gold. So that's the Inca Gold. Sorry, it's now that I've got you so zoomed up it's hard to I might just go back. We'll get you right. And I'm sure it's got a foil top on there. Ooh, look at that. Slightly different in my monitor than it is actually in the jar. It's a more sort of a richer gold. I like that, definitely that old gold colour. In the monitor it looks more like a bright, more modern gold, but it's actually an older sort of gold. Okay, now am I going to get that back on? Let's have a look. Put that in there. Make sure I get it on nice and tight. Okay, and what else we got? Alright, and we have some Distress Oxide. I've never used these yet, so I'm looking forward to trying this actually. Spun sugar. Nice. So looking forward to using that. And as a thank you gift, I did get a Thinlits Butterflies die, which I'm very happy about because I do like the old butterflies. So I shall look forward to using that one as well. Alright, so that is my recent goodies from Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft. Stay tuned to my channel and check out the Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft blog for how I use my items, and of course how the other ladies all use their items as well. Make sure you check out this online store because all the core products that we have are actually on sale. So certainly a good time to grab some of those things. If you're into making vintage journals with a very feminine sort of, and you do like that provincial look, the paper's brilliant for that. And of course you will be able to coordinate them too with pinks and things on the mint greens, I would imagine. So yeah, great papers for a journal. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.